so shallow.
How long does it take you to make that though?
This no more than 20. Yeah. I make the toppings, everything that you put on it.
Mm.
Then the pizza itself don't take but 3 or 4 minutes to prepare.
So, Joe, tell me, what is the benefit between what you are making and a regular pizza?
Regular pizza's got cheese on it, which is made out of cow's milk. The cheese on this is sunflower seeds, olive oil, garlic, and nutritional yeast. That's a huge difference. This is all live. The other one is just a piece of dead. Yeah. This one's the cheese seeds on that, and then your tomato sauce is made out of tomatoes, olive oil, and sun-dried tomatoes, and that's all put in a blender and all blended up, and that's your live tomato sauce. The relish is made out of column olives, green olives, onions, and something else in there. The onion dressing is just onions and honey, and that's in your blender. And then on top of it is your avocados and your dough is 2 tortilla shells made out of wheat, and that's it.
So, is
The
this
whole thing is live. All of your enzymes and your electrolytes and all that stuff is still live in it. It is a live pizza. So it's 90% live, 10% cooked, which are the tortilla shells, but everything else in it is live.
So you are telling me that if I eat this pizza, what do you think that I will still need to eat to have what I need to get a day as food?
This will cover you completely. If you ate a regular cheese pizza, for one thing, it's dead. Nothing is live about it. It's only heated to make it appear to be live. It's got milk in it, which the cheese is made out of. And of course, milk has somatic cells in it, which is pus. And it's from a cow. The dough in it is from flour. This dough is wheat. That dough is flour. So there's no nutritional value in it whatsoever.
Hold on.
This sauce on this is live, haven't been compromised by heat. The sauce on a pizza comes out of a can. It's got tons of sodium in it. It's got sodium benzoate, sodium nitrate in it, and it's dead. It's been in either a can or a jar for months, and then they put it on a pizza and they heat it up to make it appear to be live, make it appear to be good for you. It only tastes good, but it's not good. And it's fattening. This has no fat whatsoever.
Hold on, Joe. You just said something about a milk that is a milk coming from a cow. So you really mean to tell me that the milk that we are drinking
from a cow,
that we
has
know
somatic cells in it. The government allows 750 milliliters of cow pus in milk that cheese is made out of. This is no good for you. It's from a cow. It's not from a female's breast milk. It's from a cow's breast milk for a calf, not for human consumption.
Please.
But the cannibalistic way of America's eating habits from years and passed down, they think that it's okay when it's not. What do you think, cousin?
Yeah,
was it good? Hold on, I ain't cutting this one yet. Let's go ahead and wrap this one back up. I'm cutting it up with Hershey. I don't know what people do.
Anyway, Joe, we really thank you so much for this, can I say, presentation.
Right.
I've been enjoying this food that you bring to us every day. And if you just have something to tell the world and population today to help them, help their health, help them in whatever way that you think that the food that they are consuming every day can help them, what would you tell them, Joe?
Go live, go green. That's the only way. You were created that way. So food that you eat that is live, go holistic with how we were created because we are electric inside. And the enzyme, electrolytes, and the liveness of the food when it gets into your body, it goes holistic with how we were created. So live food go inside of a live body. Dead food that is all cooked and prepared and have all of this sodium in it and sits on shelf for months in and months out, and then people put it in their body, and your body is basically having what I call a funeral because dead food get in it and it just start digging a ditch right away. It may have some nutritional, some nutrients in it, some vitamins in it, but the liveness of that food is gone. So therefore, your body is not getting what it needs to sustain itself.
So my next question to you before I end this recording is that as you will be now live, a lot of people will be following up with you.
Yeah.
If somebody really want to go, is it like you call it vegan or what do you call it?
Raw vegan.
Raw vegan. If somebody, will you be able to help them, supply
Anyone,
them?
give me a call. Very knowledgeable about it. I've been raw vegan for about going on 5 years. It is nothing like it. It's not being a vegan where you compromise your veggies with heat. This raw vegan, then your food is not compromised by heat. No, every animal that eats on the planet that eats vegetation does not heat it up to eat it. They eat it raw. And that's why you've never seen a fat tiger. You've never seen a fat leopard. They don't have no hospital that they go to. They're not looking for a pill to do so, but yet they're fine. It's only the American way, and I call it a cannibalistic way of eating from tradition, passed down, have people chopping up cows, chopping up chickens, turkeys, and things of this nature. I mean, animals have a right to live too. How would you like if an animal threw you on the grill, chopped you up, put some rice around it, do some mambo sauce on it? You wouldn't like that. Everybody would be protesting them.
So how can my viewers, how can my fans, how can they reach you? Because a lot of people will be asking you questions because you say that.
Give me a call or text me, 301-996-9571. Text me or email me at photojoe@yahoo.com or 50grandstudios@gmail.com or Joe Gross Auto King @gmail.com. But sooner or later we'll have a food page and a raw food video. And America needs to learn how to eat because if you look around you, there's so many people overweight and they're going to these fast food restaurants and McDonald's, Wendy's, and Popeyes and all this stuff. This stuff is no good. It's mass produced, and anything that's mass produced, you know what? If you can't grow it in your backyard, don't eat it.
We hear that.
Can't grow it in your backyard. And when you grow it in your backyard, it has no pesticides to it. It has no genetically modified chemicals to it or nothing like that. It is from the good earth, exactly where we come from, and that's where we should eat from. It's from the good earth that we came from. We didn't come from a cow, so stop eating, drinking cow's milk. You're all up under there. That doesn't work like that. Stop giving your kids that stuff. It's no good.
We hear that, man. Thank you so much for your time.
All right.